Hey, it's Vas here from Aussie RC Playground, and today we have the RLAARLO AK917 out for a bit of a run. Car is 100% stock. I haven't touched a single thing on this car. We're going to be running it on 2S and then 3S and just having a bit of fun here. I am out in a new location which I haven't been at before. This should be really fun, especially if I want to do some really high speed passes later on. So let's see what this thing's got. Alright, so I've got my GPS in there, and we're going to go, just going to go maybe to there. I don't know if this is going to be too quick. And let's go fast. There we go, pegged. On 2S. It's not the worst, it's not the best. Bit squirrely, probably have too much steering on it, to be honest. I probably need to like some dual rates. It has a lot of steering and a lot of oversteer, but at speed it's actually pretty stable. Alright, let's bring it back and let's see. Oh, brakes are good. Alright, let's see what we got out of those passes. Let's see here, we're gonna hit our stop and we're gonna hit read, and we got 47 k's an hour, which isn't a lot, but it is 2S, it's old stock. I'll eventually have to come back here another time to run it with the taller gearing and seeing how fast we can get it. But for now, let's whack a 3S in there and see what we can do. It's quick now. Let's see. Also turn down my steering a little bit. Wow. It's pretty nice. At speed, it's really stable. It's really good. Brakes are really strong. Probably should turn them down. Whoa, squirrely. Come on, bring it back. I can't wait till this thing's got some more speed in it. Some more gearing. I think it's going to be quite a lot of fun. Alright, so let's see what we got that time. If we got 47 on 2S, I'm going to guess about 65 to 70. Let's have a look. Wait for it to link up. Press stop. Read. 75. Wow, okay, well, got a little bit more than what I thought it had. Is the camera gonna focus on that at all, or not really gonna? Here we go. 75k an hour, so pretty respectable speed for an out-of-the-box setup on 3-cell, but obviously we are a long way away from clocking up that 120 plus k's an hour that they claimed on the box. So there's some gearing changing that needs to happen, and probably a little bit more setup as well, but we'll get there. We'll come back again and we'll try this one more time, but for now I'm going to leave it here. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.